Hola, me llamo Gabriela de Oyu. Bienvenidos a la lección número 3. Vocabulary and expressions to exchange personal information. Personal titles, personal ads, emails. Utilizando el libro Let's Study English number 2 del equipo Rama. We are going to start with the lesson. We have in here, in this page, the information that is very important for you to know. Tenemos aquí una información muy importante que tú conozcas. We have ad. What is an ad? ¿Qué es un ad? Ad is short form for advertisement. Advertisement, que significa aviso o anuncio publicitario. Also, advertisement, it's a written or printed notice. Email, electronic mail, correo electrónico. Vocabulary, we have Mr., Mrs., and Miss. And we have also useful expressions to exchange personal information. Tenemos las useful expressions que nos ayudan para intercambiar información personal. For example, could you spell your name? Excuse me, are you Mr. Richard? This is Miss Maria. Maria, this is Mr. Pedro. Nice meeting you, Mr. Ben. Sorry, but I have to go. Nice talking to you, Miss Brown. I'll talk to you later. Take care. We are going to continue. Vamos a continuar. We have in here exercise 17. Tenemos aquí el ejercicio 17. Es un diálogo que se titula On the Phone. Vamos a escuchar y luego tú vas a leerlo en voz alta. Let's listen for pronunciation.
Page number 20. Dialogue 1. On the phone. Are you Mr. Gibson? Yes, I am. This is Miss Karen Wilson from the Energy Company. We need some personal information. All right. Your name and phone number, please. John Charles Gibson, phone number 7531 66819. Do you have a degree or diploma? Yes, I am an electrician graduated from the Princeton College. Any experience? Yes, 6 years in the collector company. Good. Are you available now? Yes, I am. Okay, we'll call you next Friday. Thank you very much.
Okay, that was the listening. Now it's your turn for reading. Este fue el audio, ahora es tu momento para que leas en voz alta. Let's continue. Vamos a continuar. And we have dialogue 2 that is also on the phone. Tenemos el diálogo 2 que también es en el teléfono. We are going to listen and then you are going to read aloud. Vamos a escuchar este diálogo y luego tú vas a leer en voz alta.
Dialogue 2. On the phone. Are you Miss Reese from General Stores? Yes, I am. Who is this? Ernest Kazan. How can I help you? I left my application for the painter vacant. How is it going? Oh, yes, I remember you. My boss has your papers. Let me ask him about it right now. I'll give you a call in 1 hour. That's okay, Miss Reese. Nice talking to you. Thanks a lot. Okay, you're welcome.
Very good. Now it's your turn to read aloud. Ahora es su turno de leer en voz alta. We are going to move on. Vamos a movernos. Reading an email to my father. Este es un pequeño párrafo. I want you to please listen and then read. Quiero que por favor escuches y luego leas. Dear Father, I hope you and everyone in the family are doing well. I miss you all very much. Say hello to Mom and my two sisters. I love my family. I'd like you to send me $50 because I need to buy a technical book. It is related to a new subject that I need to study, energy and light. Thank you for being so good to me. I love and miss you all. Truly yours, Elizabeth. We have in here the contraction I like that stands for I would like. Me gustaría. Now it's your opportunity for reading. Ahora es tu oportunidad para leer. Let's continue. We have in here exercise 18. Tenemos el ejercicio 18. And the instruction says, y dice la instrucción, with the help of your teacher, follow the example above and write a short email, not more than 50 words, then read it aloud in front of the class. En la lectura que hicimos anteriormente es un ejemplo de email y ahora es tu oportunidad de escribir un email de no más de 50 palabras con la ayuda de tu maestro o de tu maestra de inglés. Once you finish, ask for revision. Una vez termines, pregunta por revisión. Let's continue. Vamos a continuar. Exercise 19. With the help of your teacher, translate the information about emails and then answer the questions. Con la ayuda de tu maestro o de tu maestra de inglés, traduce la información sobre emails y luego responde las preguntas. We have in here emails, 5 tips for easy email. Tenemos aquí 5 tips para escribir correos fáciles. The objective of all emails is to communicate. The writer needs the recipient to understand, so he has to make it very easy for the recipient to understand the message. Here are 5 tips of sending emails the best way possible. El objetivo de todo correo electrónico es de comunicar. El escritor necesita que la persona que va a recibir comprenda. Entonces, él o ella tiene que hacerlo fácil para que la persona comprenda el mensaje. Aquí vamos a ver 5 tips para escribir correos de forma fácil. Tip number 1, subject. The subject tells recipient that what your message is about. Always include a subject, something meaningful like my order or my English homework. El título que lleva tu correo electrónico es siempre muy importante porque significa de qué se trata el mensaje que tú estás enviando. Tip number 2. Use attachments only when necessary. Email messages can be in 2 different forms: inline text, attachment. Inline text is the normal text that you write in an email. An attachment is a file from your computer, for example, a Word document or GIF image that you attach or add to your email. Tenemos dos tipos de correos electrónicos, los que son textos y los que son documentos adjuntos. Let's continue. Tip 3. Don't yell. Do not write everything in capital letters. In English, it is not polite to use a lot of capital letters. Text written in capital letters is difficult to read. We call the use of too many capital letters yelling, which is the same as shouting or screaming. No grites. El uso de las palabras mayúsculas en todo el mensaje es algo inapropiado en inglés, ya que el demasiado uso de las palabras mayúsculas se le llama también gritar. Tip number 4. Be careful with abbreviations. When the recipient does not understand your abbreviation, you are not communicating successfully. Ten cuidado con las abreviaciones. Cuando el recibidor no entiende las abreviaciones, tu mensaje no va a llegar de forma exitosa. Tip number 5. Sign your email. It is a good idea to put your name at the end of your emails. You can also add other information like address, telephone, and fax, especially for business. Firma tu correo electrónico. Es una buena idea poner tu nombre al final del correo. También puedes agregar información como dirección, teléfono y fax, especialmente si es para asuntos serios. Very good. After reading the 5 tips, it's your turn for reading and translate. Ahora que se han leído los 5 tips, es tu momento para leer y traducir. Let's continue. Exercise 20. Read once or more times the text on page 22 and answer the following questions. Lee una vez más o las que sean posibles el texto de la página 22, que son los 5 tips que acabamos de leer. Luego que finalices de hacerlo, responde estas 7 preguntas. Once you finish, ask for revision. Una vez termines, pregunta por revisión. We are going to continue. Vamos a continuar. Let's review. Repasemos. Mention one example per each title. Menciona un ejemplo por título. Let's continue. Translate the expressions. Traduce las expresiones. Número 1. Could you spell your name? Número 2. This is Maria. Número 3. I'll talk to you later. Número 4. Sorry, but I have to go. Very good. Let's continue. Muy bien. Continuemos. In this section, you are going to mention 5 tips for easy email. Menciona los 5 tips para escribir un correo fácil. Very good. Let's continue. Remember to always use our listening resources. Siempre utiliza nuestros recursos de audio. En esta lección, para la página 20, utilizamos el track número 7. Thanks for attending Lesson 3. Gracias por asistir a la lección 3. Te veo en la próxima lección. Bye bye.